Hello, dear students. Hope you all are safe. Today we have something for you to utilize your time in a constructive way. So before we proceed, I welcome you all to grade 4 and the first English class of the academic session 2020-21. Dear students, before we start the presentation, you need to make few promises. First, you will take interest in watching and understanding the entire presentation. Second, whatever fun activities are given, you will do them independently. Last but not the least, after the presentation is over, you will revise it thoroughly and in case if you have any problem or query, we will discuss the same later on in Zoom session. The first chapter in English grammar book is alphabetical order. Dear students, this topic is just the recapitulation of what you have learnt in grade 3. So, the alphabetical order is the order in which words are arranged according to the letters A, B, C, D, and so on. To know it in more detail, let us look at these examples. In the first example, the words ant, bear, cat, and duck are written in alphabetical order. In the second example, which has the words Blaney, Isla, Leo, and Tom, these words are also written in alphabetical order as letter B comes first, after letter B comes I, and after I comes L and then T. Dear students, you all might have seen a book which has the words in alphabetical order. What do we call that book? It is a dictionary. Yes, a dictionary presents the words in alphabetical order, which makes it easier for us to find the words and their meanings. So, if you want to know the meaning of any word, always consult the dictionary, and next time when you will consult the dictionary, just observe one thing, that all the words are written in alphabetical order. Let us have some fun. Dear students, you can see the picture of a triangle which has few words. What all you need to do is arrange all the words in alphabetical order. Now the question is where you will write these words. So if you have any blank notebook, make it your English grammar notebook. If you don't have, don't worry at all. Take some loose sheets, do the work in that, and bring those sheets back to the school when you will come to the school. For doing this activity, hint is also given. Very simple thing, a simple rule which you need to follow. Just look at the first letter of all the words and arrange these words according to the letters which comes at first. Dear students, it is very easy to write the words in alphabetical order when they're starting with different letters. But what if when they are starting with same letter? In that case, we need to follow a simple rule, which is if the first letter of the words is same, then we need to look at the second letter and arrange the word. In case if the second letter is also same, then we look at the third letter and so on. To make it more clear and easy, let us look at the example having the words chalk, church, cheese, and cap. In these words, we notice that the first letter of each word is common, which is C. To arrange these words in alphabetical order, we need to look at their second letter. So the second letter in the word chalk, it is H. In the word church, it is again letter H. In the word cheese, the second letter is one more time H. But in the word cap, it is letter A, which is coming at second place. So we'll write word cap at first place. For remaining three words, which are chalk, church, and cheese, and since we are having two letters which are C and H as common, we'll compare the third letter of each word and we'll write chalk, then cheese, and then church because A comes before E and E comes before U in English alphabet. So we need to follow a very simple rule while arranging the words in alphabetical order, which is if the first letter is same in all the words, we'll look at second letter. In case if the second letter is also same, we'll look at the third letter and so on. So dear students, this was all about arranging the words in alphabetical order. One important thing which I need to update you, and it is not given in the book, is that whenever we say A, B, C, D or so on, it is never alphabet or alphabets. We should always call them as letters. Most of the people do this mistake that they call ABCD as alphabet or alphabets. So what is the difference between letters and alphabet? So dear students, letters are just the symbols of A, B, C. But alphabet is a set of all the letters. Or in easy language, what we can say is the alphabet is the set of all the letters arranged in a sequence. So just take care. If we say ABC, we should always call them as letters. But if we talk about all the letters from A to Z, we should always call them as alphabet. Let's tease our brains. Dear students, there are two questions given on the screen which you need to answer on your own. The first question is, are the words elephant, monkey, tiger and shark written in alphabetical order? If you know the answer, clap your hands. If you don't know the answer, relax. The second question is, where does the word 3 come before 2? For this question, hint is already given. It is a book where words are arranged in alphabetical order. I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to tell the name of this book as we have already discussed about this book in the beginning. Dear students, kindly do all the assignments on your own because if you do it on your own, you will be able to make out whether you have understood the concept or not. Even if you don't know the answer of any question, do not worry. We can discuss about the same in the Zoom session. I hope you all have understood the concept of alphabetical order. In case if you have any problem or any query, feel free to come up with your queries in Zoom session, which will be conducted very soon. Thank you, dear students. Stay safe and take good care of yourself. Follow the lockdown and do not come out.